David Pikes, Motor City Mechanic. Your boy need help. All right, I got one of these old ass 1994 Dodge Spirit. Y'all see this? 4-door. Okay, guess what engine is on here? Anybody recognize this? 3-liter MMC, guys. Yes, we did a lot of repairs on this thing. 31TH transmission. It's not even an A604. It's in for transmission problem. Unfortunately, there's not much I can do for my man. Yeah, he burnt this up. I don't know if this fluid was ever changed. Only 168,000 miles. Now, David, here's the problem. Here's what I need from you. A scan tube. None of mine would work. Got my old scan tube here. I got my Star Mobile right here. I got my YTEC 1 right here. I got my YTEC 2. My DRB, I don't know where it's at, but it won't work anyway. That is because there's no 16-way data link connected on the hill. David, what the hell going on, man? You got anything for this? It's crazy, man. Anyway, guys, let me wrap this up. I didn't want nothing. I just wanted to pick up my buddy. Yeah, look, a cigarette lighter. Oh, my goodness. I bet it worked, too. Yeah, anybody still smoke? Anyway, yeah, let me get out here. I don't want to... a cassette. Yeah, I thought it might have been an 8-track. But look, also... Yeah, what y'all know about this? You youngins, y'all don't know nothing about this. All right, guys, I gotta go. I don't need no scan tube because there's really nothing to scan. All right, he got a physical transmission problem. 1994 Dodge Spirit. It's your boy, JT the Car Guy. Just having a little fun. I'm out.